The question there is, how do you make sure to keep going and do things when it's not fun, when you don't get result in trading?
Well, at this point in life, that I can't remember the last time I felt that way. So,
Yeah.
no, but I do know 30 years ago, I felt that way all the time. You know, you lose and then you do something stupid and you lose more, and you do something stupid and you lose more. And now, if I have a bad trade, I say to myself, yeah, in general, everything is going to be between 40 and 60%. You know, the best setups you win 60%, the worst setups you win 40%. And that's pretty much true anytime, all day long, at any instant, all day long. Every trade that you do, there's somebody taking the opposite side, and you should always assume it's an institution. So if you're buying, you have to assume that an institution is structuring a trade exactly opposite of your direction, and mathematically it makes sense, right? So if you're buying, an institution is selling to you, and they're selling to you because they have determined that they can make money by doing it. And at the same time, you and other institutions are buying because you have figured out a way that you can make money doing it. So, you know, in my mind, I just assume that, you know, sometimes things are 50-50, sometimes things are 40-60, but they're never much worse than that. And, you know, a lot of times, maybe 10% of the time, the probability of the market doing something is 70 or 80%. So about 10%, 5 to 10% of the time on any chart, the market is quickly going up or quickly going down. If you look at any chart, you'll notice that there's one section of the chart where it's almost vertical. It's very brief, the market. And during those times, the probability of making money if you trade in the right direction can be 70 or 80%. But going back to what you were asking about, if I mess up, I know the math and I'm comfortable with the math. And it took a long time to get comfortable with the math. So I know that if I just keep doing what's right, I'm going to win. So I don't worry if I lose. I don't worry if I lose twice in a row. You know, I'm just confident that if I just keep doing what I'm doing and I don't get emotional, and the math is on my side. It's like a casino, except that instead of me being the customer, I'm the house. And they know that every now and then someone is going to win $10,000 in a slot machine, and they don't care because they know that the way the game is structured, they have the math favors them. The probability is going to favor them, so they can win 51, 52, 53% of the time. But if they do it often enough, over time, they're going to grind out a consistent profit. And that's the same with traders. You know, as long as you're structuring things correctly, and you just keep executing properly, you know, you can do very well. You know, I talked about casinos, how they win 51, 52, 53% of the time. As a trader, you only have to, remember I said most of the time the markets are around 50-50. You can buy or sell at any moment and make money if you structure the trade correctly. One of the keys is risk reward. As a routine, try to take a profit that is 2 or 3 times your risk, right? So let's say you're risking, let's say you enter a trade and you know where your stop has to be, right? Let's say you buy and the market is starting to turn up. You put your stop below that low. And if you go for a profit target that is 2 to 3 times your risk, even if you lose 60% of the time, at worst, you're going to be break even. And at best, you'll consistently make money. So, you know, that probability, in fact, I said the probability of pretty much anything you do, buy or sell at any time, is between 40 and 60%. If you work out the math, as long as you go for a reward that's twice your risk, mathematically, you're going to make money. So if you just consistently do that and don't get impatient and, I've been losing, I got a small profit, I'm just going to take it. No, you got to hold, and you know, because you need that 40% of the time when you make 2 to 3 times your risk, you need that to erase the losses. So I think that simple math is one of the keys to making money. You know, patiently find a setup, place your stop, and hold for a reward that is 2 to 3 times your risk, and be confident that 40% of the time or more, you're going to achieve your goal and you'll be a consistently profitable trader. I sometimes talk about the Walmart trade, okay? And what I mean by that is, if you find yourself exiting trades too soon, you know, you're so desperate, you lost the last 3 or 4 trades, and you're so desperate to make money, one thing you can do is take the Walmart trade. You see the setup, you take the buy, you put the stop in, you place a profit-taking limit order 2 to 3 times bigger than your risk, and go to Walmart and come back in a couple hours. And then you'll be surprised to find out that you're becoming a successful trader, because you won't be micromanaging your trades. You just let your trades work and don't micromanage them. Trust the math.